Kape. 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 Tingnan natin si Bagi sa loob. Ayan. Hi. Oh! What is this? Cappuccino and
Mixed berries.
Mixed berries eagle. Hi. Say hi, babe. Are you having fun?
But I hope we can be in a hotel.
Oh, later ang hotel, anak. Ayun, ang mag-daddy. So, eto na. So, this is our school bus. Yeah! This is the sa 3 Siriket school bus. Oh! Migo's friend. Faye! Faye! Stop! Okay. Go on, Faye. Go on. Hop in.
รอบที่แล้วโดนไป300ครับที่91
So here are the teachers here at Satri.
ใช่แล้วก็มีการทวงด้วยนะ
ห้าม
มี
เกิน
ใบแจ้งมาแล้วมีการทวงอยู่คุณยังไม่จ่ายตำรวจเหรอเดี๋ยวนี้มันทวงแล้วเหรอทวงไม่ไปทวงเมื่อวานอ๋อแย่ไหนโดน
ฮัลโหล
Oh, sorry. Look. Peekaboo.
Oh, I thought you were there.
Let's move.
Drink our Oishi.
So let's drink my cappuccino. Faye,
Let's drink my Oishi.
what is uwishi?
It's a tea.
A tea. You like it? Wow. Ah, that's mine.
We have like hours.
Here, the big turtle, the giant turtle.
I remember this.
Yes. We wanna come here, but we didn't have the time.
Do
Yay!
you remember this big turtle?
So, here we go. We're here already in Korat, and we're gonna go into this school.
What? That's school?
Yes, it's a high school, just like our school.
I told you it's the one.
So we're here in Korat. Such a beautiful and nice weather.
Never mind, I already know what it's in.
Really?
Played my own.
Oh, there you go. So we are entering now to a big school here in Korat, and we're gonna evaluate now. Paano kaya namin i-evaluate yun? So, titingnan namin yung EP. Ooh, touchdown to, Nakhon Ratchasima. There.
Oh, is that
Oh.
the swimming pool?
It's a pond.
A playground.
Oh, look at this. What is this?
A playground.
Nakhon Ratchasima Municipality. Playground.
I know what that was.
Oh, nanak dyan. May
And
pagay,
they
may
have
pailaw sa
They
gabi.
have scooter to ride for us.
Chingak ha?
Pass by it.
Yay! We're here. And this little girl is very excited to go down.
We're not excited to go down here. We're excited to go swim.
Swim! Let's see if we can swim. So here are the people here in Suranari. There you go.
That time I thought it was a swimming pool.
Eh?
That's the one we passed by.
Okay, and iikot pa uli. At umikot pa uli kami. At hindi ko alam kung sa kami dadalhin ng pag-ikot-ikot. Umikot ng umikot. Nag-U-turn lang pala. Still, we are in Korat.
Why just showing that time?
There you go. Dun, 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 dun. Anong ginagawa nila? Oh, they're praying. And this is a big stage for some activities. Ayan, ganyan po ang buhay dito sa Thailand pag weekends. Ganyan ang buhay dito sa Korat. Korat is the largest province in Thailand when it comes to land area. And ayun, dahil nasa in the middle of the city yung school, so ang daming ikot-ikot at ang daming ikot-ikot ulit. Ayan, nakita mo na yung playground, Faye. Ayun, ayun, oh, parang may KKK din pala dito. Ayun, oh. Oh, laki-laki ng school. And they have a lot of playgrounds here. Ayan, may mga art pang nalalaman. And there's a pond and a fountain in the middle. On the way there. Eh? Time to go down. Going down naka, and we are going to be hello. So here are the teachers from, there you go. Ayan, ang mga guro at ang school ng Suranari School. Pulang-pula sila. Pulang-pula. Kami naman ay very dark ng color. Siya na. Blackpink. We are Blackpink. And they are the Devil Red. So, ayan. This is sa Trisurikat School. That's our school. And then this is Nakhon Ratchasima. Oh, I think I know them. Oh, yan. Nakita ng kakapwa Pilipino. Let's go there.
How do they know?
They know each. Ano po?
You know what it's called, the pink bus?
What is it? Blackpink bus. Wow. Oh, ayun. Nakita na sila ng mga kaguruan ditong Pilipino. Yeah. Take a photo. Okay. Ayan, laging take a photo. Hello po. Bless Tito, bless. Bless Tito, bless. Bless. Okay, mag-take photo muna daw kami. See ya.
Yeah.
mag-asawa. Okay. Hello, Cub sister. Going to the elevator. We're on the 4th floor. Yeah. Their gymnasium. Building to building. Studio. We're going up.